Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we triggered an automated cloud flow when a new item is created in a SharePoint list. In this video, we will be learning about loops in Power Automate. Let's get started. Loops are one of the most significant component of Power Automate. In this video, we are going to create a manual loop and see how it works. We will use manually trigger a flow and add an input parameter with multi-select list of options. We are asking about the favorite food and the options are apple, banana, pasta and pizza. Now we will add an action, go to control and select apply to each. Select input parameter from the dynamic content. Inside the loop search for post message in a chat or channel. The content of the message is one of your favorite food is current item. We have to keep in mind apply to each works only if you have an array of items. Now we will continue for saving and testing this flow. We will select apple, banana and pasta and run this flow. Our flow ran successfully for all three of the foods and we have successfully received the team's message. And that's it. In the next video, we will implement a use case scenario for loops in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.